Join me as I dive deep into uncovering the real secret to timeless wealth, and I'll be putting my own financial strategies to the test. Timeless wealth is a concept that has been debated for centuries, and it's more relevant today than ever before. People from all walks of life are striving to achieve financial freedom, but what does that really mean? Is it just about accumulating wealth, or is there something more to it? The idea of timeless wealth is about creating a financial legacy that can last for generations, and it's an idea that can be achieved by anyone, regardless of their background or financial situation. Many people believe that wealth is solely determined by the amount of money you have in your bank account, but that's a huge misconception. Having a lot of money doesn't necessarily mean you're wealthy, and it's not just about the money. True wealth is about living a life that's rich in experience, relationships, and personal growth. Another misconception is that wealth is only for the privileged few, and that it's impossible to achieve if you're not born into a wealthy family. This simply isn't true. Anyone can achieve wealth, regardless of their background, as long as they have the right mindset and strategy. People often think that getting rich quickly is the key to achieving financial freedom, but this approach often leads to financial disaster. The get-rich-quick mentality can lead to reckless investing, overspending, and a lack of financial planning, which can ultimately lead to financial ruin. A lot of people also believe that wealth is just about making a lot of money, but that's only half the story. Making a lot of money is important, but it's equally important to manage your money wisely and make smart financial decisions. This includes investing wisely, saving for the future, and avoiding debt. Many people struggle with managing their finances effectively, and this can hold them back from achieving true financial freedom. The media often perpetuates the idea that wealth is about material possessions and luxury items, but this is a false narrative. True wealth is about living a life that's rich in purpose, passion, and fulfillment, not just about accumulating material possessions. Wealth is also often associated with stress, anxiety, and pressure to constantly perform. People think that if they're wealthy, they'll have to deal with the stress of managing their money, the pressure to keep up with the latest trends, and the anxiety of losing it all. However, this doesn't have to be the case. When you have a solid financial foundation and a clear understanding of what wealth means to you, you can achieve a sense of peace and freedom that's unparalleled. You can live a life that's true to who you are, without the burden of financial stress holding you back. Investing wisely is one of the key principles that contribute to timeless wealth. This includes investing in assets that have a proven track record of growth, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds. It's also important to diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. The importance of mindset cannot be overstated when it comes to achieving timeless wealth. Having a positive and growth-oriented mindset is essential for making smart financial decisions and staying focused on your long-term goals. Financial education is also crucial for achieving timeless wealth. This includes learning about personal finance, investing, and money management, as well as staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies. Financial education is key to making informed decisions about your money, and it's essential for avoiding costly mistakes. When you have a solid understanding of how money works, you can make smart investments, avoid debt, and build a financial foundation that will last for generations. The role of patience and discipline in achieving timeless wealth is also critical. Building wealth takes time, and it requires a long-term perspective and a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term. You have to be willing to delay gratification and make smart financial decisions, even when it's hard. The importance of community and support in achieving timeless wealth is often overlooked, but it's a critical component of success. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people who share your values and goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your path to financial freedom. You can learn from their experiences, gain new insights, and get support when you need it. Having a clear vision and purpose is also essential for achieving timeless wealth. When you know what you want to achieve and why, you can create a plan and take action towards your goals. The main insight or secret to achieving timeless wealth is that it's not just about making a lot of money or accumulating wealth, but about creating a life that's rich in purpose, passion, and fulfillment. It's about living a life that's true to who you are, and that aligns with your values and goals. Consistent habits and strategies are key to achieving timeless wealth. This includes creating a budget, investing regularly, and staying disciplined in your financial decisions. You have to be willing to make sacrifices in the short term and stay focused on your long-term goals. The power of compound interest is also a critical component of achieving timeless wealth. When you start investing early and consistently, your money can grow exponentially over time, allowing you to achieve financial freedom and live the life you want. The importance of taking calculated risks and being adaptable in achieving timeless wealth is also essential. You have to be willing to take smart risks and adjust your strategy as needed to stay on track and achieve your goals. Achieving timeless wealth requires a holistic approach that takes into account your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. When you prioritize your overall well-being, you can create a life that's rich in purpose, passion, and fulfillment, and that aligns with your values and goals. The role of gratitude and appreciation in achieving timeless wealth is often overlooked, but it's a critical component of success. When you focus on what you already have, rather than what you lack, you can create a positive and abundance-oriented mindset that will help you achieve your goals. The key takeaways from our discussion are that timeless wealth is achievable with the right approach, and that it's not just about making a lot of money or accumulating wealth. It's about creating a life that's rich in purpose, passion, and fulfillment, and that aligns with your values and goals. By investing wisely, having a positive and growth-oriented mindset, and prioritizing financial education, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you want. I'd love to hear your thoughts on wealth and what it means to you, so be sure to share your comments below. If you're interested in learning more about financial strategies and how to achieve timeless wealth, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for achieving financial freedom.